Well, I have to say goodbye to Wisconsin. It's been a nice couple days this weekend. Lovely people here. Man, I'd so love to move to this place and just be done with Illinois completely. This is it's a completely different life up here. Much calmer, much more peaceful up here. People seem to be nicer up here, more helpful and stuff like that. More appreciative when you help them. It's very nice up here. Then stop at the service station on the way out. Check the oil level. Probably top off with fuel because it's a little cheaper here. And then head back. Show you what the oil looks like real quick. And then tomorrow night when I get off work, we'll go ahead and pull the filter, cut the filter open, change the oil and stuff, see what we're looking at underneath the valve cover and how much this has actually cleaned up the valve train. If we don't see a significant improvement, I mean, regardless if we do or we don't, we're going to try a different product. I do have to give it to Marvel Mystery Oil on how it reduced the valve clatter and stuff like that overall, and how much smoother it seems the engine is actually running. That it did do, for sure. Now, let's see what else it's cleaned up. A lot of people are saying, well, you need to run it the full oil change. Yeah, I'm sure if I kept running it little by little by little, it would pick away at whatever varnish and tarnish is inside the motor. But I need something that's faster acting. I already recognize that it works, and if I would continue to use it, what I would eventually probably get out of it. But I'm looking for about a 600 to 1,000 mile service of having something effective in that time span. I would say Marvel Mystery Oil is, it's a preventative. It's something that aids in assisting keeping things clean. It doesn't say on the bottle that it's made to go ahead and clean your entire motor in the worst situation right now. Now, we have proved the quality of how it performs. It's very good. It does lubricate piston rings and stuff like that and help free up stuck things and quieten down lifters that may be stuck or kind of varnished or sludged up a little bit. That is definite that I can hear the difference there, and the throttle response, definite difference there. But what it does to clean the inside of the motor when it's as bad as this one was, there's no promises, there's nothing on the label that says this is what it's going to do. It's just something we wanted to try to see how far we can actually take it. And I'm sure if I continually ran this for the next 3, 4, 5 months or more, eventually the motor would be squeaky clean. But we're looking for results now, right now. How fast we can get this stuff out of there from the slowest to the fastest. That's what we're going to find out. So far, I got to give them props. And when this is all said and done, the experiments are over, the oil changes and stuff, the different engine flushes are complete, Marvel Mystery Oil will be something that I do run in this truck consistently with all of my fuel fill-ups for sure, and once every couple oil changes, run some of it with the oil, because it does work. I'm impressed with how smooth it helped the engine run. Now, let's stop at the gas station, check the oil level, top off with 20% Marvel Mystery Oil and the other 4/5 quality engine oil. Alright, I've got the dipstick pulled and cleaned off already. What I have noticed is, look at that oil spot right there. It used to be a big old chunk of sludge when we started this. If you look back in the previous video, look at it. Each time I pull that, and it's got some of that Marvel Mystery Oil on those spots. It's getting smaller and smaller. Little varnish spots. Let's see what we got. How much we're going to top off with. we're not going to top off. We're still full. Look how dirty that is. Oh my God, though. That got way dirtier. This must be cleaning since today I went out. I want to say I went out about 70 miles today. And then yesterday I went out about 70 miles. So we're at about 650 miles right now in this Marvel Mystery Oil. So it's full. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to bother it. It actually quit consuming oil. It's like, it's down to like minimal right now. Just past the full mark. It was quite a bit past yesterday. So, let me, get this put back in here. Wow. This is the first time on the trip so far that you guys have seen the oil color change. It's been pretty new looking the whole entire time. This time, it ain't so new looking anymore. Let's just pull it one more time and yeah, so it actually got dirty. So we'll see tomorrow night what it looks like underneath the valve cover. Just do a quick shot inside this again. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll see what it looks like. Y'all have a good night. Be blessed. And see you tomorrow when I get off work. We'll pick this back up on part 2 of all these shenanigans. Or we'll finish up with this series of the MMO testing, Marvel Mystery Oil testing. After tomorrow night, I should have about 750, 800 miles on this oil with 20% Marvel Mystery Oil. And then we'll get a good look underneath that valve cover there and see what it looks like. Y'all take care. Be blessed.